Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. With your regular credentials, this grants you access to security settings. Once signed in, make sure you can still receive codes by phone or app because removing a key requires alternate verification. If you don't have a backup method, add one now and verify it so the removal won't lock you out. These steps prevent accidental loss of access and prepare the account for a safe removal of the physical or virtual security key. Next, navigate to Security and open Advanced Security Options. This is where Microsoft stores sign-in methods. Once there, select Security Info or manage how you sign into Microsoft, because that view lists your keys and other authenticators. Identify the security key by its name or device ID so you remove the correct one. Make sure it's the one you intend to delete. Removing the wrong key can disrupt other users or services tied to that specific credential in your account. To remove the key, select it in Security Info and choose Remove, then confirm when prompted. This action revokes that key's ability to authenticate. You will be asked to verify using a backup method. Use your phone or authenticator app, so make sure that step completes. Once removed, sign out and test signing in with your remaining methods to confirm access. If something goes wrong, use Account Recovery or your verified backup contact. That troubleshooting path restores access if the key removal caused unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.